Today I'm going to show you how to disable Google Custom Search in Chrome, step by step. This is a really useful fix if your browser keeps using an unwanted search provider, if a custom search was added by an extension, or if you just want to clean up your Chrome search engine list and get back to normal. I'll walk you through the exact settings, what to look for, and how to remove it safely. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome Settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Search Engine and click it. This section controls how Chrome handles searches from the address bar, so this is exactly where you need to be. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Here, Chrome will show you a full list of search engines and custom site search entries that are available in your browser. Now scroll through the list carefully and look for Google Custom Search or any other search provider you do not recognize or no longer want to use. Sometimes these entries are added by extensions, websites, or browser changes, so it's important to check both the search engine section and the site search section. When you find the unwanted custom search engine, click the three dots next to it. Then choose Delete. Chrome may ask you to confirm the removal, so go ahead and approve it. Once deleted, that custom search provider will be removed from Chrome and should no longer appear when you search from the address bar. If you see more than one unwanted search engine, repeat the same process for each one. It's also a good idea to check your installed extensions afterward, especially if the custom search keeps coming back, because an extension may be re-adding it automatically. And if you want, you can also verify your default search engine is set to something you trust, like Google Search or whichever provider you prefer. That way, Chrome will use the correct search service going forward. So that's it. You've now disabled Google Custom Search in Chrome by finding it in the search engine settings and deleting it from the list. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and simple tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.